It's time for a brief tutorial on BlastCast, a simple and powerful blast optimization model built into WipFrag. WipFrag is WipWare's fragmentation analysis app for analyzing blasted material instantly without the need for a scale object. After you've finished analyzing the particle size and shape distribution of the blasted material with the WipFrag app, you can optimize your next blast based on the results. Simply tap on the blast icon to enter BlastCast. Tap and hold the data box to open the BlastCast menu. Enter the parameters of the blast that produce the material in either metric or imperial units. You can manipulate sliders for bench height, burden, spacing, borehole diameter, rock factor, drill accuracy, relative weight strength, and density to see how it will affect the fragmentation of the material. You can use the Auto Rock Factor toggle to automatically align the prediction with the material's curve at x50. Tap on the Help icon to see what each parameter describes. Once the model is calibrated, you can view your predicted blast curve alongside the current material results. And like all WipFrag data, you can share the results or create a report by tapping on the Share icon. BlastCast is an easy way to use WipFrag data to optimize your blasts. Good luck with your next blast!